Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Porsche 911 GT3 in Forza Horizon 5. First, let's explore the main ways to add this incredible vehicle to your garage. We will cover both the exciting festival playlist, which offers exclusive rewards, and the dynamic auction house, where you can buy from other players. Getting your dream car is easier than you think with these strategies. The festival playlist is a fantastic way to earn the Porsche 911 GT3. Each week, new challenges and events are introduced, offering points for completion. By earning enough points, typically around 20, you can unlock the featured reward car for that season. Make sure to participate regularly and complete the objectives to claim your prize directly from the playlist menu. If the Porsche 911 GT3 isn't currently on the festival playlist, the auction house is your next best bet. Here, players sell their cars, creating a lively marketplace. Search for the car, compare prices, and decide whether to place a bid or use the buyout option. Be quick, as popular cars can sell very fast, sometimes in just a few seconds. To maximize your chances, always keep a good amount of in-game credits saved for the auction house. Regularly checking the festival playlist ensures you do not miss any opportunities for free cars. Also, remember that some special cars might be part of downloadable content or car packs, offering another direct way to acquire them. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.